Here we have a stamping die stopped in mid-operation. This is so we can see the carrier strip as it moves along from station to station and receives its respective forming and cutting operations as needed. So as you can see, when the stamping press is in operation, a continuous strip is fed through the stamping press. Here you can see its different cutting operations as it moves along. And here we have an example of forming operations. There's a mold fixture that the metal is formed around so that we can make a shell casing for this product. And in this case, this is a shell for a connector. And here you can see the final product before it is ejected from the carrier strip, and the carrier web is all that is left. And down here is where the shell is ejected, and then later assembled with a housing and connector prongs. And here is a stamping die in operation. Here is our carrier web being fed continuously through this stamping press. Each time the press performs an operation, the carrier strip moves into the subsequent station. And here you can see the operations being performed. And then here is where the shells are ejected. Okay, so I also wanted to show you an actual carrier strip stopped in mid-operation in more detail. So here we have our first cutouts. In this way it allows the machine to know, or to ensure, that the strip is moved from station to station accordingly. And so here you can see for yourself the different cutting operations as it moves along. And then here we have some bending in the material due to some forming operations. So you can see the product evolve as it goes along. And then finally the final product before it's cut out of this from the carrier strip. And there we have die stamping for you. Thanks for watching.